Hi everyone. I'm just going to do a quick video, hopefully, of kind of a challenge or open collab that Martha Makes Art is doing, and it's called Shuffle Cut Create. Shuffle Cut Create. Hashtag Shuffle Cut Create. So every month, I think on the 25th, she pulls two prompts. She shuffles two cards of decks. They all have prompts on them. She picks and she cuts the deck. That's why it's shuffle cut. And then one prompt from each deck. So this month it's paper and student. Well, I wasn't going to participate, quite honestly, because paper, I thought, oh, I can do paper. I have tons of paper. And then student came up. I'm like, oh, I don't know if I have anything for that. But let me show you this is what I made. Let me show you what I used and why I did that. First of all, I have these, it says A7 envelopes, but what it is flat cards and envelopes, and they're 5 by 7. And her sizes that she's normally going to use in any kind of, what do you call it? Medium, no, substrata or something like that, is 5 by 7 or 4 by 6. So I thought perfect because I need folded cards. I have them now, but in 5 by 7, I don't need just a flat card front, right? But the envelopes are always handy. So anyway, they're recollections, and I'm going to use those 5 by 7 flat cards. So the other day when I was doing my cards from my embellishments for St. Patrick's Day, I was using paper out of this paper pad that I've had for ages. It's actually got a 2010 date on it. I don't know if it's still available. It's Hobby Lobby, the paper studio. And you can see what it is. I probably got it in 2017. Okay, and I thought, ooh, good. It has all these things. It is paper, but in this paper pad, which I didn't know as I was looking through, and there's like 200 sheets, 50 designs, so what's that? Oh, I don't know, 52 of each? Four of each. There's 4 sheets of each paper. So there were 4 of this, and 4 of this, and 4 of this, and 4 of this, which you see I tore in pieces, and 4 of this. I am not good at collage, but I wanted to try it. I'm still not good at it. I did it like twice and before I glued anything down. So this is what I came up with. I used this as my, well, the card mat under there. Then this, which you see, this is really thin paper and it's white on the back. And then I have the apples a day for the teacher going all the way down the side, or here's an apple too, which is in the student's lunchbox. Here's the student, by the way. I'll tell you what those are in a minute. Um, so yeah, and I have first day of school, school bus. So let me tell you what those are. So anyway, I used a little bit of each of the 4 sheets. So we have the apples, the blue, the pencils, the stars, and the school rocks and A plus stuff going on here. All right, let me get rid of this so I can tell you what else I use. So I found in my stickers a touch of Jolie's. I don't know where I got it. Somewhere at $1. It was $1.50. And it had these crayons and this A, B, and C. This school bus that says first day of school. This little thing up here that says first day of school. Something, oh, the student with the school bus in the photo frame. Like the parents are proud of him. Notebook with a little pencil, and this giant, I thought it was a phonograph at first, a lunchbox with chocolate and a sandwich and an apple, and I don't know what that is, a little dessert or something, I don't know. And then I also found I had these star stickers from Dollar Tree, never used before. I don't know why I would buy something like that, but I did, I guess. And so I put a yellow one with dots. Actually, it's silver stars in, or no, I guess it's dots in the yellow star, a red one, and a blue one down here. And then I was going to use stickles, but I have these 3 um, Studio G, which I think I got at Walmart, maybe years ago. It says 2016 on them. Pretty sure I got them at Walmart in like 2017 or 18. They're still okay. The red's a little bit gone, you know. I store them in my stickles case upside down. Anyway, I used the red all around it. It's still drying. I used the clearish one on the school, and this paper's so thin though, it's warping it. So I'm gonna have to let it really totally dry. And then this sort of a granny apple green is on the green apple there. And that's it. The red. Oh, and the clear is on the rocks. I was gonna look for gold and I thought too many colors. So I just put clear over it because it'll show shiny, right? So that's still drying, and that's my project for hashtag shuffle, cut, create, hosted by Marsha Makes Art. I don't know. I don't think I'll participate every month, but I'll participate when I can and if I know I have something and something comes to mind. And forgive my lack of collage ability, but that's what it is for this month. All right, so I got to use some of those papers I probably would have never used in my lifetime. So yay. I still have 3 more sheets of each plus the scraps left over. But I finished a pack of stickers and I started on another pack, so yay me. Take care, everyone. Have a wonderful, creative, what's left of the week, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.